Okay, so that installation is completed. Now simply click on
Mm-hmm.
Nav. So you can see these are the things installed, and very important is this one, virtual delivery agent.
Delivery
Okay.
agent.
So what we have done, we have created one master image by this name, Fatima hyphen MST dot hyphen image, right? And this we have created for HR team. Okay. Simply
Okay.
click on finish. Now it will restart the master image. Now we have done with our master image.
Okay.
We have nothing to do here. Now we can simply go to the delivery controller. So now from master image only, we have to create the machine catalogs. Okay. So
Okay.
this is one time activity. We have installed all the application, each and everything we have done as per the requirement. Now we have got some new joiners, or we have got requirement from the client, like they need to create some virtual machines for end users. Okay. So let's wait for this to boot up. I will shut down this machine then. Okay, so now we are into our studio now, and whatever the
Okay.
activity we have to perform with studio only. Okay. Now I have
Okay.
got one requirement to create two virtual machines for HR team. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to the machine catalogs. On right hand side, create machine catalog. Click on that and simply click on next. Now it is asking like which operating system are you using. So we are using Windows Server, which is multi-session OS, right? But if you are
Yeah.
installing that VDA agent on Windows 10, Windows 7 desktop operating system, so in that case you can select the single session OS. Okay.
Similar.
And if you are using a physical machine, in that case you can select the third option, which is remote PC access. So we will go with the first option. Click
Okay.
on next. Now it is asking like the machine catalog and deployment type. So our deployment type is machine creation services, that is Citrix MCS, and our deployment will be on the power managed machine. So what is power managed? So basically, if you are having any physical machine in your office, right? So you cannot power it on remotely. You need someone to be there who can manually switch on the machine, right?
Okay.
But if you have hosted your virtual machine on a hypervisor, in that case, you can simply take a remote of hypervisor and you can turn on. Why? Because you can
Okay.
remotely manage those machines. But for physical machine, these are not power managed. Okay, you need some manpower over
Okay.
there. So our machine will be hosted on hypervisor. So these are power managed only. Simply click on next.
Okay.
Now it will automatically pick up the show you the master images in which we have installed the delivery sorry VDA agent, right? So,
Yeah.
so multiples are there, but okay, in production as well, you will find multiple master images, right? So you have to
Mm-hmm.
identify like we have created this one,
Which
right?
one? Yeah, yeah.
Right? And in a similar way, you will find multiple master images like in production for HR, for finance, like naming
Mm.
convention wise. Okay, so you have to select.
Mm-hmm.
So simply select, we have to select this one and click on next.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is asking how many virtual machine do you want to create? So we
Okay.
will go with the two, but
To one.
in single click, you can create up to
Mm.
999. It's totally up to your hardware resources. Okay, there is no limit.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So right now we are creating two only.
Mm.
Click on next. Now it is
Upload.
asking like in which
Mm.
Active Directory OU we have to move the machines, right? So I have already
Mm.
created one OU in my Active Directory. This is virtual machine. Okay. So I am selecting this
Okay.
one. Now it is
Mm-hmm.
asking the naming scheme. So naming
Mm.
scheme we can give like HR hyphen dash hyphen hash hash. So why I put hash key two times? Because we are creating two machines. Okay. So the host name of
Okay.
first machine will be HR-01 and HR-02.
And
Means if you are
okay.
creating 100 of machines, so it will start with
Mm.
HR- same, but it will
Hash.
change the number.
Three hashes.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Till
Like
100.
it will start from 01, 02, 03, 04 till 100. In
Mm.
that case, you have
Mm.
to type three time hash key. Okay. If you are
Mm.
creating 100 machines.
Going for 100 machines.
Yeah. But we are creating two, so two hash key is fine.
Just. Mm.
Okay. And in case if you are not okay with the number, you can select A to Z. So what it will do,
Mm.
it will create hostname like HRDEX, AB, AC, AD, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
So numbers are good actually to remember. So uh,
Mm-mm.
that is the thing. Simply click on next. And what it will do, it will automatically join the machines into your domain
Mm.
without any manual effort. Okay.
Okay.
Click
Ah.
on next. Now machine catalog name you can give like HR desk, and into the description some office location whatever you want to mention you can mention it. Okay.
Mm.
Simply
Okay.
click on finish. So what it is doing, it is copying the master image right now,
Mm-hmm.
and from that master image what it will do, in some time it will create automatically two virtual machines here like HR-01
Okay.
and 02, right? You
Mm-hmm.
have nothing to
Mm-hmm.
do, you just have to wait and watch. So
Okay.
within 2 or 3 minutes it will create two new virtual machines for us. In a same way, if you have to create 100 of virtual machines, you can do it in that way.
Okay. Yeah.
So basically, we are creating virtual machines on the hypervisor, right? But
Hypervisor.
we are
Yeah.
creating it from the studio console, okay? Studio, it is just a console
Mm.
from which we are managing the operation.
Okay. But
So
it's
whatever
okay.
you are creating from the studio, each and everything will be deployed
Mm.
over hypervisor only.
Mm-hmm.
So which master image it is copying? It is copying this one. Whatever we have
Okay.
installed in this one now, it is copying that one.
Mm. During this process, should I shut down the machine for the master image or it can be turned on?
No, no, you can shut it down now. Why? Because if
Okay.
you go here now on master image and if you
Oh.
click on the snapshot,
Mm-hmm.
one snapshot is
Mm-hmm.
already taken. When we have installed
Okay.
that VDA agent, now that uh,
Mm.
that like snapshot
That
already
up.
taken.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it is copying. You can see on the left hand side, it is preparing HR desk,
HR desk.
and it will automatically join the machine into the domain. It will copy each and every software, whatever we have installed in our master image.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, what is the need for the master image? The need is that, like,
Mm,
as we have created the machine catalogs, right? So end users will be
mm.
using the virtual machines, right? So
Yeah.
whenever there is a requirement to modify anything
Mm,
in their virtual machines, right? So first you
mm.
have to deploy the changes in your master image. You cannot, shut down all the end user machines, right? So
Yeah.
whatever the activity you have to perform, you can perform on the master image. You can test it, and
Mm-hmm.
then from master
Mm-hmm.
image you can update the end user machine.
Okay.
So master image, it is for Citrix engineers, and machine catalogs or the virtual machine for the end users.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So now it is creating the virtual machines. You can see here
Yeah.
HR dash
It's
01
wanting
and
to
zero
create
2.
that.
Okay, and
Mm.
if I go there in my Active Directory in virtual machine OU, so you will see the host name over there. Look,
Okay.
automatically
Yeah.
joined into our domain, right? So
Mm-hmm.
our effort is almost very minimal now, right? With a
Yes,
single click,
exactly.
we can
Uh,
create hundred of
Create
or
any
or
number
even
of
thousand
number
of
of.
machines, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now what we have done, we have created one machine catalog HR tags. If I double click on this, so you will see two virtual machines are available for HR team right now. Okay, but in
Okay.
production you will find multiple, right? So
Mm-mm-mm.
these machines are in powered off state, so I can power on any, or we can power on both of them.
Okay.
So now we have created the machine catalog, but now we have to publish these machines to end users, right?
Yes,
So
exactly. This is through delivery groups.
yes, so again go to the delivery controller, sorry, delivery group, click on the
Mm.
create delivery group,
Okay.
click on next. So from the machine catalog, delivery group identified like two virtual machines are available, right?
Okay.
And it is
Yeah.
asking like how many number of virtual machines do you want to pick up. So right now we are picking
Mm.
up one only, okay,
Okay.
and one will be available for any other purpose, okay, in future.
Mm.
So click on next. Now it is asking like to which user. Oh,
What happened?
mm, it's automatically shut down in 90 minutes. Actually, I have created one policy.
Mm-hmm.
The reason behind is that because multiple students are accessing the lab now, so sometimes these
Yeah.
students forgot to shut down the machines.
Okay.
So I have created one
So
policy.
any machine.
Yeah,
Mm.
any machine is powered on for 90 minutes, it will automatically shut down after 90 minutes.
Okay.
So no worries. Let me start it again because it will reduce my electricity cost actually. Otherwise, I have to pay a lot for my running server actually.
Wow. It's too much in India.
Yes.
روحي انت انا سلك السوداني في طريق يوديكي على الاس او بي. ايوه حلو روحي بقى على الاس او بي بورتال هتلاقي في فيديو على النافسكان. انا بقول لك انت فتحت الفيديو سلك سيرفيس عشان يوديكي للاس او بي صح؟ ضغطي 4 عشان يوديكي للاس او بي صح؟ طيب فتح معاك ليه؟ خطوات دايما يكون في فيديو او خطوات تمشي عليها. هي اسهل من انك انت تفاصيل مش عارفة. هل يعني في حاجه بسيطه ممكن تعمليها ممكن كل مرة تدلتي الملف وترجعي تعملي كريتي واحد جديد. أمم؟ خلاص. نفس كام؟ ايه؟ فيديو.
Okay, so again we have to publish the machine catalogs to our end users. Okay, so let's wait for this to load.
مفيش حاجة تانية؟ حاجة تانية؟ مفيش فيديو تاني أو حاجة. طيب قبل ما تدخلي
Okay, simply click on the create delivery group and click on next. HR text, from that HR text machine catalog, we are picking up one virtual machine for now. Now it is asking like to which particular user or group. You can add group as well. So we have to restrict the use or access of this machine to a specific user. Simply click on restrict and you can add like user or group. Like if some HR group is there, you can add. Otherwise, you can add individual users as well. So click on add. From here, let me pick some test user. So I am picking up test user 01.
Okay.
So now that means this virtual machine will be visible to this user only right now. Why? Because only
Okay.
one user
Yeah.
is added.
Mm-hmm.
Click on next. If you want to publish any application, you can do that, but application we will publish from the second machine, not from this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Simply click on next. Now desktop, click on add. So here we have to give some display name to that virtual
Okay.
machine, which is visible on the
Mm-hmm.
storefront, right?
Yeah.
So the display name will be like
آخر مرة عملتها إمتى؟ آخر مرة ألعبها
HR
على
test you
Sure.
can give,
يعني لا الشيء ده
Yeah.
بتتكرر كتير
and again
زي
this
ماشي
desktop it
كانوا
should be
عارفين
restricted
مشكلة
to
طبعا ويندوز 10 كده ملهاش حل.
specific user
All the
only.
other users. Yeah. 2 and 3. It's only for one.
Yeah, right now I'm publishing to single user only. Okay,
Okay.
and now we have done. Click OK and click next. give the delivery group name, it should be identical. Why? Because we are picking up machines from machine catalog, which is HR, right? So
Hmm.
here you have to give HR team only. So now our desktop, we have published one desktop to test user 01.
Okay.
It will take a while.
Okay, sir.
So this desktop HR dex 01 is given to test user 01 as per the
Okay.
configuration what we have done. So if you
Okay.
click on this delivery group now, you will see
Mm-hmm.
this is our delivery group. And
Okay.
if
Inside
I
the delivery.
expand this, if I click on the desktop, you will see one machine by name
Yeah.
HR dex and machine
Mm.
catalog. We are having HR dex here. So if I double click on it, you will find the computer name, which is HR dex
Mm-hmm.
01. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And now coming to the applications. Now what I have to do, I've got some requirement like only application needs to publish to user. There is no desktop required, right?
Mm.
So simply click on add application. Okay, let me cancel this. So what we can do, we can create one more delivery group here, right? Click
Mm.
create a delivery group, click on next, and the
Okay.
one machine is remaining here. We are picking up this one now.
Yeah. Okay.
Again, we can restrict the access to this to test user 02 this time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's pick 02 and 03 both
Mm-hmm.
and click on next. Here we have to give access to the applications, right? So click on
Application.
add
Okay.
from start menu. So
Mm-hmm.
it will list out all the applications which are available, okay, in your
Mm.
server.
Okay.
So what we have installed, let's pick up that
Install
writer,
Google Chrome.
Google
Mm.
Chrome. Okay, only two is enough for now. Click OK.
Okay.
Click on next. Desktop, we do not want to publish any desktop from this server, okay? We are publishing applications only. Click on next. Now here in the delivery group name, you can type application server. Means this server is only uh, delivering the applications only without any desktop, okay?
Okay.
Finish. Now a test user, like if I click on the application server, right, and if I click on
Mm.
the applications, you will see two applications are there with this
Are
server,
there?
okay?
Mm.
And if I click on desktop, there is no desktop. This
Mm.
server is not publishing any desktop, right? So
Okay.
we have done it. Now we need something to test it out, right? So for
Yes.
testing, we must have one web page that is known as the storefront,
Okay.
right? Because we have to give some URL to our end users, na? So,
Yes.
so that storefront we will create tomorrow. Rest of the things we have done, okay?
Done. Okay.
And after testing of the deployment, I will let you know
Mm.
how to update the virtual machines, right? In future, you might
Okay.
get some requirement to add or to remove anything from your infra, right? So those kind of operations,
Mm-hmm.
I will guide you
Mm.
tomorrow.
Mm. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that is done. I will share the recordings with you soon. Okay.
Okay,
and
thank you
the
so
rest
much.
أصلا أي شغالين
rest is
يتفقوا
your call actually. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yeah.
بتعمل سكان
Bye.
كتير العدد كتير
Bye bye.
بالفرق